BigCommerce just wanted to create a video because I still can't log into my BigCommerce account. So like what you've said on your email, I receive a support here and it says I should add bigcommerce.com on my settings on Google Chrome, so which I followed. So under my settings on Google Chrome, cookies and site data, I allowed site and save with cookie. So let me know if I need to turn it off. And what I did is just I allow and add bigcommerce.com on my cookies and site data. But then when I log into when I log into BigCommerce using our Perfect Garden account, still it refreshes the page, and it still lands me on the same page, which is the landing page. And then I will receive multiple message from BigCommerce. So right now I receive a unlocking your account because I attempted multiple times, but I actually receiving this new device verification code, but then I don't know where to put this code because it always land me on the same login page. So let me know if there's other option that I can do, because I really need to log in on my dashboard area, so I can update our product. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.